So guys, we have one more friends who have also cleared NDA in his prime time. So brother, how did you prepare for NDA?
सबसे पहले तो यार मैं यही कहना चाहूँगा कि अपने पहले बेसिक्स क्लियर करो एनडीए के ना। जैसे तुम्हारे कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर का चैप्टर है, और आपका ज्योमेट्री हो गया, डिटर्मिनेंट्स हो गया, इंटीग्रेशन, डिफरेंशिएशन, स्टैटिस्टिक्स से कम आते हैं, राइट?
स्टैटिस्टिक्स से बहुत आते हैं, बहुत आते हैं। प्रोबेब स्टैट्स छोड़ना।
प्रोबेब स्टैट्स,
Please guys, this is my humble request to all of you who are watching, that there are some chapters, especially of algebra. If you have that kind of aptitude like me, who does not understand the concept of calculus very easily, who has some problem, so I have done both of them, integration and differentiation, and differential equation as well. But I couldn't attempt integration and differential equation because I haven't revised it or practiced much. Yes, I have attempted many questions of algebra and differentiation as well. So focus on algebra if you have problem in that calculus, and especially don't leave these chapters, stats.
Do you have any say on this?
Yes, actually, differential and integration is kind of tough, but if you revise all the properties very religiously, then it is kind of easy.
Yes.
Because क्योंकि उसमें fixed pattern नहीं आता है, and application of derivatives और differential equation और तुम्हारा differentiation, ये 3 चैप्टर हैं। ये इनसे बेसिक लेवल के बेसिक आपको अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तो आप निकाल सकते हो।
Like someone who wants to clear the exam with bare minimum marks, like the who wants to just touch the cutoff.
For that I would say मैट्रिक्स डिटर्मिनेंट इज इजी, बट कैलकुलेशन लंबी हो जाती है, तो आप उसको अराउंड सेकेंड के लिए रखो अगर आप उससे कंफर्टेबल हो। अदरवाइज आप स्टार्टिंग में करो कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर्स। आपका 12th का सिलेबस आप मेजरली कवर करो, क्योंकि 12th का सिलेबस प्लस 11th की स्टैटिस्टिक्स और प्रोबेबिलिटी, स्टैटिस्टिक्स प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको अच्छे मार्क्स फेच कराएगी। इजी टॉपिक है, पीएनसी परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन, उसके डायरेक्ट प्रॉपर्टी पे डायरेक्ट ऊपर क्वेश्चंस आते हैं उसके, और बस यही है।
Vinayak?
Yes, focus on algebra. There are some chapters like matrices and determinants, complex numbers, probability. There's a very good thing good way you can start your question paper.
And what about set theory?
Set theory, yes, as well. Set theory as well.
Set theory,
PNC,
relation function,
permutation and combination.
relation function.
And what about differentiation?
Differentiation. I'm not talking about the guys who are pretty well.
Oh, okay,
really
okay,
good
okay.
in maths.
I have one suggestion to make. If you are watching this 2 months before, you can still crack it, because I have cracked it. ठीक है, I have cracked it from studying from YouTube. ठीक है, I have made my own notes, so bloody you will also crack. You can also crack that.
Guys, for your information, this is guy from Sainik School, Ghorakhal.
Yes.
And what about the other subject?
What about other subject? English. I'm very not bad, but yes, not good as well.
Do you have any say on this? How to prepare English?
See, this is not a promotion, but to the guys out there, I would highly recommend आप किसी एक चैनल का पकड़ो for GAT and उसी को ही meticulously
CDS journey?
NDA journey.
NDA journey.
Yes.
Oh, sorry.
NDA journey. NDA journey is good actually.
Yeah.
अगर आप नॉर्मल डेली रीडिंग करते हो तो तब भी हो जाएगा। एंड फॉर साइंस पार्ट आप 9th-10th का रिवाइज करो, उससे कहीं आगे नहीं आता। आप फिजिक्स के फॉर्मूलेज रिवाइज करो, उसके ऊपर डायरेक्ट न्यूमेरिकल बनते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चैप्टर इज वेरी
You have to just cram 9th and 10th.
Yeah, only 9th-10th then.
Is it right, Ave?
Yes,
Vinayak?
it's very much right. If you want to score in GAT, especially about English, I'm not that much good in English. Yes, attempt less and with accuracy.
With accuracy.
With accuracy. This is the key.
And I would say for vocab you can go for what Power Made Easy of Norman Lewis.
Yeah, but I think it is not necessarily. If you have time, you can cover it.
Okay, yeah. Like yeah.
Yes, I haven't done much.
And for that, polity, eco history.
Don't focus much on polity and eco. It has got less weightage. But yes, focus on geography and history. And yes, as Bhaiya has told, science.
I have one point to make here. You study geography and current affair because current affair 10 question normally comes.
And what is the source of current affairs?
Source of current affairs. आप monthly compilations देखिए any channel. I wouldn't say
ND Journey?
NDA जर्नी, CDS जर्नी और डिफेंस वाला. इफ़ अगर आपको वहीं से रिटन PDF वगैरह मिल जाती है तो आप वहाँ से उसका देख सकते हैं मंथली कंपाइलेशंस. और आपको मतलब और जो जैसे इन्वायरमेंट रिलेटेड जो होते हैं करंट अफेयर्स या कोई नई साइट्स बनी या कोई नई यूनेस्को वर्ल्ड हेरिटेज में आया, इंडिया कहीं पे अच्छा करा, आउट परफॉर्म करा कैसे वो, तो वो जैसे ऑलिव ग्रीन टर्टल्स कोस्ट गार्ड का है बड़ा इंपॉर्टेंट, या फिर कोई आपने एक्सरसाइज करी इंडियन आर्मी नेवी या एयरफोर्स ने, वो सब आप उसके टच में रहिए. एंड इन जनरल भी अगर आप एग्ज़ाम भी नहीं पढ़ रहे तो उसके आप थोड़ा नॉलेज तो रखना चाहिए इफ़ यू आर एस्पायरिंग फॉर डिफेंस सर्विसेज. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट अगर आप हिस्ट्री करेंगे तो इट्स वेरी लेंथी. उसमें जो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट और रिटर्न का जो रेशियो है वो आपका कम है. कंपेयर टू दैट आपका पॉलिटी, मैं थोड़ा बायस हूँ पॉलिटी की तरफ, तो पॉलिटी में सिलेबस इज़ वेरी लिमिटेड, यू कैन कवर इट.
Vinayak,
Yes, Sel Bhaiya is correct.
the same?
Yes, the same. And for economics, there are 1 to 3 questions every year. The only syllabus for economics is to read all the 5-year plans, because in my exam there were 3 questions from economy and all of them were from this part, from 5-year plan.
Many of the teachers suggest that to use newspaper. Is it good to read for
Newspapers,
NDA guys?
no, focus on your
Only
I'm
for
telling
static
about
part.
the bare minimum efforts that you can put.
Okay.
So read science of 9th, 10th, and especially.
Okay guys, if you want to continue to our podcast, you have to subscribe first, then we will give you
Right.
other better
भैया
insights.
बता दो channel क्या है.